Dossenbach is a clear, no-nonsense website template ideal for professional industries and consultants. We can see the overarching monochrome color layout allows the images to pop, without having to oversaturate them. We have clear signposting and call-to-action buttons throughout the design, use of iconography mixed up with photography to provide that elegant, professional theme. Our hero unit flows into the masthead, and the photography has been specifically chosen for this template.
You want to make sure that you have the right imagery for this type of template to work, or alternatively, you could choose formats where we break up the images and the text into different sections, as shown further down the page. We have a simple, elegant placeholder for testimonials and additional call to actions. This website is modern enough to have that professional look and feel, but it still pays tribute to a lot of traditional practices in web design.
It breaks down beautifully into mobile designs without too much scrolling, keeping the flow straightforward and easy to follow. When we look at additional pages, we can see how the theme carries throughout. If you're looking for a website template for corporate consultants and professional services, this could be your solution.